Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name's Adam Berry, I'm known as the Gym Starter, and today I'm going to show you, with a friend of mine called Paige, on how to do the overhead press. The overhead press is one of my favorite exercises. I love working my shoulders and it's a really enjoyable exercise to do. This workout was filmed as part of a series of workouts for a gym I work in called Inside Out Health Club, but the exercise instruction is still really on point and I really wanted to share that with you. Thanks so much for being here, and the overhead press tutorial is coming up right now. It's the overhead press, which is a vertical push movement that's going to work your shoulders just here. Now we're back with the bar. This is 20 kilos, but again you can use the static barbells that we have that are on the Olympic bars, just in case you need stop stealing my focus. The camera naturally picks focus. No, I know, it's fine. It's just because you're more beautiful than I am. And so all we're going to do is just push the bar above our heads, basically, with correct form and watch yourself. But as I was saying, you can use the smaller barbells if you need to build up slowly and surely, like you probably should do with all of these exercises. So rig the bar so it starts at about chest level, shoulder level, so you can get it out with your hands in a nice manner, like so for me, Paige. Excellent, good. And then I'm just going to ask Paige to obviously keep a firm base through her feet, make sure they're about shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward or just slightly outside of parallel. And then all she's going to do is lift the bar above her head, like so. Excellent. Now as you can see, her head has come forward a little bit as she's done that, which is key because we want to try and get the ears in line with the elbows. And then you can bring it back down. Make sure you bring it back down to the clavicles like she has there, not to the chin or to the nose, and then we can go again. Excellent. Big breath out, like Paige always does, because that means she's bracing her core, which is a really important aspect as well. Good. Lovely. Put it back. Fantastic. How was that?
Good.
Yeah?
Good.
Anything?
Working.
Good. Anything else to key?
Yeah, making sure that head comes through so you're in a nice vertical line, as Adam said. And when you're coming back, make sure you move your head out the way so the bar comes straight down.
I've got a funny story about that. I was doing these once and my head was forward as I was lifting it. I'd come down to the clavicle and I was trying to impress my fiance. I went bang, hit the bar through my chin and had a cut there for about 6 weeks.
Oh gosh, you're lucky I didn't get it too.
I know, so be very careful.
And keep those knuckles to the ceiling as well. Yeah,
always.
Strong wrists.
Absolutely. Good work. Good work, everybody.